video I'm gonna show you these nice and pretty heat press machines. So you will get in the box this pink unique head press machine, 20 sheets sublimation paper, pair of heat resistant gloves, a heat transparent tape, also manual instruction. As you can see, it clearly shows all the following steps how it is working on. And this machine is perfect for the person who is running a small businesses to dye favorite colors and caps. The machine is made of durable and good quality material. It is easy to use, following all the steps in this manual instruction. And in this video I'm going to show you the result of my cap. So if you're looking for any kind of heat press machine, so you should definitely get this one. It is made of good quality material, have nice design, it's working very good, so highly recommend it to you. Thank you.